craftsman's choice, SFX air-cooled handheld laser welding machine. The entire machine features a compact structure and is lightweight and portable. The laser gun is designed with an ergonomic balance point. With low-temperature 3D phase change heat dissipation and high-temperature resistant chip technology, it ensures uninterrupted welding work at temperatures ranging from -10 to 40. This machine adopts super anti-high reaction technology, breaking the limitations of traditional welding. The adaptive variable speed fan is low noise and energy saving. Equipped with remote diagnostic functionality, technical service can respond instantly. 7-inch industrial-grade LED touchscreen, 3 operating modes, 40 sets of process libraries. Easy to use with zero experience. In cleaning mode, the weld seam can be easily cleaned without changing the copper nozzle. It can achieve a pristine clean effortlessly, meeting high standard process requirements.